Hey, my gang and my crew, do you like food? Do you like Burger King? A lot of people do. Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to get free food at Burger King, guys. So, this is the Burger King app, and as you can see, we have this button we can press, and we can add 100,000 points. So, I'm going to press unlock, and as you can see, it's adding the points. So, then I should get free food at Burger King. So, let's see if this works. So, as you can see, it says like committing entitlement. Verifying device. All right. And yeah, it might work, guys. Let's see. All right, it says 100,000 points were added. You can see at the moment I have 42, and look at that. They're going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to get free food at Burger King just like me, guys. This is super insane, as you can see. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. As you can see, the Burger King crowns, as they're called, are just going into the moon, bro. So I'm going to show you how to get this onto your device. So first step, go to matrixmods.com, look for the Burger King mod app, and then when you find it, go ahead and press download. So the next step is going to be verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it's going to say missing files. So what I have to do is just download 2 of these apps. They're all free. They're from the official app store. And then once you do that, the mod will install. So as you can see, we have tons of apps here. So like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. Then we've got Scanner app. You guys search something up. And then of course we have DraftKings Casino, Travel Town. This one's a game. So just make sure you do it and you're going to be good to go. You'll get free food on the Burger King app, which is so awesome, bro. As you can see, look at that. Whoa.